welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. So last week we had done monsoon hair care. So this week we will do monsoon skin care. Okay, so we'll wait for a couple of people to join in. So once they are in, we will start with the DIY for today. So I'm just showing you by the time what all ingredients I'm going to take today. I'm taking aloe vera gel, then honey, rice flour, saffron. It's my favorite. When it comes to skincare, I can't work without saffron. Then multani mitti and sandalwood powder. Okay, so it's very simple DIY, and we are going to take rose water. Okay, so even though it is monsoon, you have to follow your cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine. So cleanse, tone, moisturize daily, morning and night, and twice a week you can do a scrub and a mask. Okay, so mask can be your DIY mask or ready mask, but I just love DIY mask because it's really very good to know the ingredients are fresh and good enough to go on your face. Okay, so let me just show you the cleansing part. So what I love is I take about 2 tablespoons of honey, and to that I will add about pinch of saffron, and I'll give it a stir. Okay, so I like to infuse it for a couple of days and then use it as my face cleanser. Okay, so what happens when you infuse, basically the properties of the saffron will come into this honey. Okay, and it will be your saffron kesher honey basically. Saffron is basically rich in vitamins, minerals and proteins. Okay, it is antibacterial, it is antioxidant, so it is suitable for all skin types. So what you can do is, after mixing this, just fill it in a jar, okay, a glass jar, and keep it aside for around 8 days. So after 8 days you can just take half a teaspoon kind and use it gently to massage on your face and wash your face with it. Isn't it very simple? So try doing this natural cleanser with just saffron and honey. It is very nourishing, plus it is antibacterial, and it is absolutely good to use it in monsoon. Okay, so this is the first one as a cleanser, honey and kesher as a cleanser. So the second DIY is very easy. So what I'm going to take, I don't have mortar and pestle. So this is a traditional sans, what we call in Marathi. So what I'm going to do is take a pinch of saffron. Okay, add to this aloe vera gel. Okay, we'll add around a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and to this I'm even adding half a tablespoon of honey. Okay, and I will use the saffron stick to grind this up. Okay, so with this the saffron will break into particles. If you don't have this, you can just use your mortar and pestle. And so with this saffron stick, sandalwood stick, we will impart the sandalwood properties also. Okay, so see, saffron is breaking into particles now, and the color of this is also changing. Okay, so saffron lightens the skin tone. Basically it will give you an even skin tone and also rejuvenates the skin and deeply moisturize the skin. And saffron has this anti-solar agents, okay, which block the harmful UV rays. So we say in monsoon there is no need of sunscreen. We actually need sunscreen in all the season, whether it is a monsoon or rain, or winter, or in summer season. Okay, so see here, the saffron particles are already broken now, and it is nicely plus it is anti-aging. I haven't added any water content to it, so at least if I store it in the fridge, you know, it will be okay for my 2 applications. So what I prefer for this mask is to apply it before you go to bed. Okay, just apply it overnight and then wash it in the morning. So this you can do twice a week. Okay, so let me just finish mixing this. See, our saffron particles have nicely broken. So it's aloe vera gel, saffron and honey, and I'm just using sandalwood stick to blend this. Okay, so let me just show you. So this is our second DIY. Okay, so the third one is if somebody has acne. Okay, the same things what we have taken here, around a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, a pinch of saffron strands, and we have taken to this honey. Okay, a tablespoon of honey. So what you can do, if somebody has acne prone skin, you can just add basil leaves 5 to 6 and mix it in the same manner and apply it, but it won't be a nighttime mask, it would be a daytime mask. This is a overnight mask kind of thing. Okay, so this you can store it in the fridge and use it at least for the 2 application, or make for just a single application kind of thing. A very light layer you can just apply, wait for it to absorb you know, properly, and just go to bed with it. It is absolutely you know, gorgeous and very nice. Okay, the third one what I'm going to do is a toner. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is take around 2 spoonfuls of rose water, to which I'm going to add aloe vera gel, half a spoon. Okay, and to that we will add couple of strands of saffron. Okay, so just mix this very well, and you can store it in the fridge and use it. So this will be your toner. Okay, saffron will leave its own color, and aloe vera gel is there in it, so it will moisturize also. So for toning you can just use this saffron infused honey and rose water toner. Okay, and the last one I'm going to show you is a scrub. Okay, along with saffron. So what we do, एक वाटी देता हूँ, हे द्या. So here I'm taking rice flour, around a tablespoon of rice flour, then adding to this sandalwood powder. Okay, half a spoonful of sandalwood powder and half a spoon of multani mitti. Okay, to this we will add rose water. First I'm adding very little, like a spoonful of it. If we need, we can just add more. Okay, we'll need more because it is very thick at present. So I'm adding another spoonful of it. give it a nice mixture. Okay. So give it a mix. See, it's mixed nicely now, and just use it as a scrub. Okay, so rice will help in exfoliation. Multani mitti is there and sandalwood powder is also there in this. So just take a small quantity and gently massage. So it will be a very mild scrub because of this rice flour, and use it like twice a week. It is good for all skin types. Okay, so I hope you like today's DIY. So tomorrow we are having this candle making workshop. So if somebody wants to join, we still have 2 seats remaining. So if somebody is interested, can just text us or DM me. And then on Tuesday, I'm having shampoo conditioner bar workshop. So which is both workshops are at the same time, 10:45 to 12:45. So tomorrow is the candle workshop, so where we are going to show 5 types of candles, and on Tuesday we have shampoo and conditioner bar. So if somebody is interested, you can DM me and I'll share you the details of it, and which workshops you are interested in future, do let us know. So July schedule will be based on those. Okay, thanks for joining in. If somebody has missed, the video will be uploaded on YouTube later, so you can have a look at it. Okay, thanks a lot for being there, and see you soon.